Key moment model is very important, dear parent. So this is the second time I'm discussing in this again about what is a key moment model. I've already shared the diagram for many of you who are there with me, very specifically understanding it, what key model is there. And so I will urge with you to open also that diagram along with this sharing of mine so that you will understand better. It actually, the key model indicates there are two parts which we can take when a key moment occurs. Whether consciously or unconsciously, we as parents, we make a choice of which path we want to respond to. We either respond for trust or either we react with fear. These are one example. Let's say you had a key moment where you found that the child is being lying to you, or you will be either reacting out of fear that if he keeps on lying and manipulating me, what will be his future, what he will do to others, and you start shouting and yelling at him, and might be that you scream at him or her. As a result, the child may develop negativity towards you. But instead of reacting, if from fear, if you base the response from love, you will get a better response from the child. If you respond keeping this in mind, that your child is not bad, maybe the circumstances forced him or her to lie, or let us find out the reason justifiable why the child is lying, and how I am getting triggered because of this trust. So this can be also one line. You can make him or her understand that this only, that if this, which is the better place to be, and you choose to respond out of trust and not out of the fear. It is at this moment that the choice is coming, either on the strong emotion overruling it or your weakening behavior. And in the cycle of weakening behavior, we either overmanage or we overindulge over the children. Just write this. So you will understand this more clearly if you have that diagram, as the diagram is showing that negative and usually unintended negative consequences follow if we choose to react from fear and not out of trust. Then comes the negative consequences also. So low self-esteem, immature behavior, all this, unfortunately, it's not going to be really too easy for you. So you need to really, whatever behavior the child has robbed, tell lies, some manipulation, you need to make a choice that you decide to respond to this key moment, because this is the moment of faith, love, trust, and not from fear. And then we are able to interact with the child in ways that strengthen the child as well as your relationship with the child. And the goal is this only, that the more you are compliant and solving the immediate problem and being very responsive with the child, it is the trust is there, the goodwill is there, and the self-worth of the child is there, helping the child learn solving his or own problem and see what kinds of actions the child is taking. So the thoughts are being worked more powerfully here. We extend strengthening behavior towards our children, which boosts empathy, responsibility, honesty between us and the child, which is very important as a positive behavior, and it solves all the problems, let me tell you, at a permanent basis. It also increases the self-worth, and the personal responsibility of the child increases, as I have explained you in the key moment model, that this will really give you result.